Good day, everyone. In today's discussion, we are going to focus on Stephen's creations input hypothesis, which explains that a learner can learn best, can acquire language best, especially if there is a very simple and comprehensible inputs. By inputs, we mean it could be auditory, or it could also be visuals, or it could be both. Like, for instance, when we say visual, there are learners who can learn best when there are diagrams, when there are graphs, when there are also videos. And there are also learners who can learn best with the use of songs, that means auditory, or drills. So these are some of the examples of the inputs. So for our short conversation today, I am inviting here my former student, a grade 10 student now in Tubungan National High School, Jenny Albius. Hi Jenny.
Hi, Mom.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm sorry that I cut you short off of your what is that? Your assignment? No, you made an assignment a while ago.
Yes.
Oh, what was that assignment?
It's all about AP.
AP. So you draw something there.
Yes.
So she is my neighbor, and then when I looked at the window, I saw her doing something. So I told myself, this is our subject for the interview. So, Jenny, how are you?
I'm good.
So, how do you find grade 10?
It was kind of difficult, but it's okay.
It's okay.
Yes, it's
okay. So, you can manage still.
Yes.
And then, by the way, what is your favorite subject?
It's English.
It's
Yes.
it really English?
Yes. I'm not really that good at English, but I enjoy it. I enjoy learning it.
Oh, is it English because I'm here, or it's
No.
really coming from your heart?
It's really coming from my heart.
Okay, sige. Now, when it comes to English, what is it English that you like?
Huh?
What is it in English that you like? Why do you find English as your favorite subject?
Because
Why?
I really love learning new words.
Learning
Yes.
new words.
Yes.
And how do you like to learn new words? Is it by sentence, by words, or by used in sentence words, or there are pictures? What do you like?
Used by sentence.
Also, you mean you want to learn new words as used in the sentence?
Yes.
Okay, so by the way, let me, it might be also very helpful. Last year, you were with me in English 9, right?
Yes.
And then we had a routine. What was that routine again? When I let you, every day, I let you give something. So it was prayer,
Prayer.
then
Word, example, and
sentence. And
Yes.
I also added trivia. And
Yes,
closing.
trivia.
Okay, so you said a while ago that you want to learn, you want English because you want to learn more
Yes.
words, right?
Yes.
And you can use that one in a, what do you call this one? In everyday conversation.
Yes.
Okay, so does it help?
Yes, of course.
Why do you say that it helps you? Every day we give, you were the one, or your classmates were the ones giving the words, choosing the words, and then post it on the board.
I use it every day, so I can say that it was really helpful to me.
So you can learn best when there are examples.
Yes.
Okay. And then, what do you think? For instance, for now, in your English 10, what are you dealing with?
It's about research.
It's about research. So
Yes.
you find it difficult?
Yes, it's kind of difficult because I'm not really good at searching a source of it.
A source, you mean
Yes,
a source.
yes.
But in a way that you learn research and its part and the words.
Yes.
Oh, it was made easier, or it was just still difficult?
Still difficult.
Still difficult. And what do you want it to be to make it simple and to make it clear? So what are needed there? There might be what?
I don't think that I still need to put or needed to something to put it. I want myself to understand it so I can, like what you call this, I can understand it or I can research by doing it better.
Okay, but the teacher presented it.
Yes.
Okay, so how did she present some of the parts of the research, or how did she present the lesson there?
By giving us a visual presentation.
Oh, visual.
Yes.
So you learn best
Yes.
because of,
Visual.
and then what?
Visual.
What else did she give?
Process and example.
Process and examples.
Yes.
And what else?
That's all.
So the teacher was able to give the clear presentation of the research because she gives what? Number one, examples, process, and the terms.
Yes, terms.
The terms were also given meaning.
Yes.
And then, so it was made clear because of the samples.
Yes.
Okay, so there you have it, everyone, that a language can be acquired best, especially if clear inputs were given. Just like how Jenny learned about research, wherein her teacher in English, I think it's Miss Desiree, right?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Desiree gave some samples, give some meanings, and give some presentation, especially graphic and picture. So these are what we call inputs. So inputs can help the teacher or the student learn best. So meaning you are now ready to make a research
Yes.
paper because everything was already clear. Am I right?
Yes.
So meaning, is it a good one? Will it be a good one?
I don't know.
Oh, you should have the very best research because I know that you can with your capacity. Oh, you go for it. Okay. So there you have it. Inputs can really help learn in learning, and she can already use what she understands because it is made simple and clear because of some examples and meanings. Thank you very much.